Hey guys, today is my best friend's Halloween party. So this year I'm dressing up as the Nun from, what's it called? The Conjuring and the Nun, the actual movie that came out this year, which was complete but we're gonna put that aside because she actually is pretty spooky. Now I'm gonna be doing my nun makeup. So let's go. We're just going to pull my hair back. Now I guess I can get onto the makeup. So this photo right here is what we're gonna be basing our look off of. So first I am going to definitely need to put in my contacts. So I'll put those on. I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have my contacts in now. First, we are going to go in with some white cream makeup. So mainly I'm just gonna put some here and then some also on this side. And then just kind of everywhere, since the nun has just a very white look. I just realized she doesn't have any eyebrows. Girl needs no eyebrows. We are just going to take some Elmer's school glue just to glue down my eyebrows. Alright, so now I have the glue on, as you can see. Now I can just blend in this white. So now I'm just going to use a black eyeshadow just to put all around my eyes, so she has very darkened eyes. I'm using that same black eyeshadow just to kind of contour my nose, and I'm using black eyeliner just to make these kind of cracks in her face, and to just put kind of on my eyes to darken them a little bit more where they need to be. So here is my ballin' on a budget and nun costume. I think it looks great. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, get a little twerk in there. Up close is pretty, you can see it's on a budget.